think the best thing I like about working for Online Training Academy is that it's a very family-oriented company.
Has got to be the people, the community, and the amazing amount of support and love that I feel, especially on days like today. This is just, it's beautiful.
I love everything. The people, what I do. I look forward to going to work every day.
A lot of my coworkers I've built close relationships with, and it feels like a second home when I go to work.
The company is just full of love. Every single person, you can feel the love. It starts at the top. They make sure that everything's perfect for each and every individual at the company.
That's what this whole Online Training Academy, being part of this company, is about. Is just the family that we have.
I get to be everything that I am, which is love exuded every day, and I just love that is accepted and encouraged, and it just makes my day every day.
One of the things that they focus on at OTA is hiring people that are a good cultural fit. And what that means is when you come to work, you get to work with a lot of fun, happy, friendly, ethical people, and you just feel safe. So I look forward to coming to work because of the people. It's a great place.